extract DNA, we require a banana, washing powder, salt, a bowl, a pestle, a cup of water, acetone, that is nail paint remover, spoons, and a rough cloth for filtration. Start extracting the DNA. First of all, crush the banana using a pestle. Crush it properly.
One spoon.
Add a pinch of washing powder.
किती घेऊ एवढी?
हाँ. Do you know why we are adding washing powder?
Yes. Why you are adding washing powder?
We are adding washing powder because this is a plant cell, right?
Yes.
So because it's a plant cell, we need to break the cell wall. Then only our DNA will come out of it. So we add washing powder. Now we will add sodium chloride. That is our salt. So when you add salt, what happens is salt has sodium and chloride. So sodium goes and attaches with the phosphate in the DNA, which will help in precipitation. Means the DNA has a lot of space in it. So this will coagulate and it will form a precipitate. It will form thread-like structures. Okay, mix it well. Add a little bit of water. Add a little bit of water.
घेऊ? पुरा?
Half. Okay, now mix it very well. Now that we have formed a slurry of this mixture, we are going to filter this by putting it in this and now this will settle down. Let's allow this to settle down. You can see the filtrate is coming down. Let's wait for some time so that it comes down. Just take care that you don't squeeze this very much because it will cause contamination of proteins. So we'll keep this in fridge for some time. Actually, first we will add acetone from side, and then we will get precipitated DNA filaments, that is threads. So then only we will keep it in the fridge. Okay, let's add it. Open. Add it from sideways. Slowly. You should not become hasty. Acetone was cold, so you can see it has already started precipitating. We keep it in fridge. So now here we can see there's a lot of DNA which has come up, which we are going to spool out with the help of this needle. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to hold this needle here, and then we are going to just swirl it like this. We're going to remove it little by little like this.
DNA little by little.
We have allowed this acetone to just dry up. So that now we have dried DNA. So when we have this dried DNA, we just take it in test tube and we prepare standard. We keep one as a control and we prepare 3 test tubes so that we have test in triplicates. And then we perform the DPA test, in which we take 1 ml of DPA reagent. This is the 1 ml DPA. We have prepared the DPA reagent where we add 1 ml of this, and we prepare a solution of DNA plus water 1 ml, and then take this solution and perform the DPA test by keeping it in hot water bath. We have kept this in hot water bath for around 20 minutes. Let's see what's the color. You can see this is the control, which is colorless. This is the test, which is blue in color. The other test tube, which is blue in color. This is light blue, it is going to turn dark. The other tubes as well. These are the test results of DPA. We can see the tests are blue in color. This is the control. And then another test in triplicates, but one of the test tube got broken. Therefore, we have only 2 test tubes left out of it. And this is the control. So this confirms that whatever we have extracted in the Jugaad way is DNA.